In this video, we're going to explore how to use the free Offsite wood add-in for Revit. This lets you frame entire walls with light wood structural elements. First, make sure you have installed the Offsite wood Revit add-in, which you can find at offsitewood.org. When the toolbar is installed, go to the General Settings menu. Click here to add the necessary shared parameters. You can also adjust the other settings, such as stud spacing and stud width. You can select different options for the Windows headers. To facilitate the modeling, you can activate transparency to all walls in the 3D view. Go to the Visibility Graphics menu with shortcut VG. Scroll down to the walls and click on the Transparency Override button. Set the transparency of roughly 60%. Then you can set a mark value to the wall you want to frame. When you are ready, select the wall and click on Frame Wall. After a couple of seconds, you can see the entire light wood structure elements are placed, including the studs, the plates, the cripples, and the headers. If you look at the plan view, you will also see all studs, along with the appropriate X symbol in plan view. You can tab select any element to see the unique properties, including the dimensions and the unique mark number. You can keep framing more walls in this model. If you forget to set a mark value, that's fine. Revit can add one for you. In addition to exterior walls, you can also frame interior walls in your project. Now, we're going to look at the Panelized Walls tool. This is perfect if you want to have prefab walls you are going to bring to the construction site. Select the wall and use the Panelized Walls feature. In the menu, you can set the maximum panel width and height dimensions. When ready, you can try the Generate Concept panels. We start with the Align Left option. Then we try the Centered option. You can see there's a conflict with the joint and with the windows. Let's switch to Equal Panels. The joint is now centered on the wall, so this is the best option. When ready, you can click on Generate Full Panels Wood Framing. You can see that the wall is framed in two separate panels, with a joint in between. It is possible to adjust the corner framing. In this example, we select this wall and check the By Wall parameter. Select the wall and use the Refresh Select Framing tool. The wall framing is extended to the corner. While the wood families are automatically placed, it is always possible to make manual adjustments. In this case, we want to adjust the sill height of this window. You can drag the blue arrows in the 3D view. Or to be more precise, you can change the sill height parameter in the instance properties. What if you want to schedule all wood elements? Use the Create Framing Schedule. You will see a list of all wood framing in the project, grouped together for each wall. You will get the depth, width, cut length, and volume, along with the number of elements with these specific dimensions. Remember that this add-in is entirely free. You can download it right now at offsitewood.org.